Well, let's get you a big breaking update as Sensex has hit an all-time high of 75,525.48 in early trade. Nifty is also up 15.45 points to 22,983.10. The Indian benchmark indices, if we talk about Sensex and Nifty, that have scaled a fresh all-time highs after a lackluster start, and we are almost looking at Nifty topping the 23,000 mark, while Sensex also made a new high today. We have Ansh with us right now from ET Now. Ansh, good morning. How do you believe that the markets have been reacting as far as if we look at the current political situation of the elections also taking place?
Yes, that's right. Actually, ahead of election results, the market seems getting very positive here. Nifty touched record high for second session, and in a landmark achievement, it crossed the 23,000 mark for the very first time. It took nearly 87 sessions actually to climb from 22,000 mark to 23,000 mark, marking a 4% gain from that 22,000 mark. Also, Nifty chart revealed a promising trend with Nifty forming higher highs for 10th consecutive session and advancing for 7 straight sessions, indicating a strong positive bias here. Adding to the bullish sentiment, Nifty gave a breakout from significant double bottom chart pattern yesterday, further enhancing market optimism. In addition to that, yes, Sensex and Nifty midcap as well touched record highs today, underscoring a very positive overall market sentiment.
Right. And Ansh, because what advice do you give the investors, to remain invested, hedge their positions, diversify their portfolios? Do you believe that there is a potential upside trend that could be seen?
Yes, I think Nifty is a very positive till it stays protected, till it stays above the 22,800 breakout level. But we may expect some heavy volatility in the market, so keep your stop losses tight and in place.
All right, Ansh, thank you very much for joining in. As we are looking at, when it comes to the stock market, Nifty also hitting the fresh peak scales. In fact, Sensex is also at a new record high. The information that is now coming in as far as the Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty scaling a fresh all-time high, and Nifty topping the 23,000 mark, while Sensex is also making a new high as far as the bulls have defined a weak global market cues to trade on a firm note. All right, with those information coming in from the stock market, and of course, looking at the current indices that are also concerned, we are looking at the elections that are simultaneously taking place because we are looking at a sudden shift as well. That was seen in the Sensex, that was triggered mainly by sudden shift in the FII trade. But right now, Nifty topping the 23,000 mark for the first time ever. Let's, in the meantime, head into a short break right now, because right after the lackluster start, it seems that things are now looking up in the market trade. With that, we head into a short break. That's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News Hour.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.